Now, once you're done with it, of course, you have to move to the next setting. That is your online content. So under online content, whatever you see, what will be there? So I said document link type. What is that? When you create a course, you
Mm.
provide a link, like I create a course. So I will send you a link in order to register there,
Okay.
right? But then I registered there, but I want to learn about this from myself. Maybe a manual reading I want to do, or maybe like our class. When I give you this class, after that I shared one document with you and I requested you to go through that, right?
Okay.
So what if
Yep.
I want to go and learn few things by my own when I have spare time?
Okay.
So if I have created a document link, I will provide you that document link so that you can go and read about it thoroughly whenever you want. So it's just like the documents that are provided. So I said there are document links types. So I created one which is manual. I will go here. I just write manual. But then I said there should be some link type.
Mm-hmm.
If you want, you can add links everything here, and you can adjust some. So let's say somebody created this. This all you create, and when you go to document link type, you choose one of them. I want to create a new one. Click on it. Just type the link and the description. These settings, okay, let me show you. It gives you all the options to create everything. You don't have to worry about it. Sure, if I teach you, you will have everything. See, online
Online
content.
content. Oh, okay.
Getting me? I said add this object. I choose any one of them. So that's the online content one. Where is that one? The document link type. Can you see the completion status here? If I say add history on completion, all record every time you complete something, I said every time you complete something, there should be a history maintained for it. So I click on completion status. Why
Mm.
it's not going to this one? The maximum criteria is this. My content system. This is not right. Maybe because this is demo, somebody has played around. Then we go to the people management. Now, people management is what?
Wow.
Status, the degree type, everything that you have to have defined by yourself. your employee. When we hire somebody, what all
Oh,
information should be there. So I said cohort status. So this is something else, not related to items only, but this is for employees most of the time.
oh,
Like
okay.
a person dropped out, completed successfully, failed to complete anything, retraining is needed, user is meeting expectations, so he is able to do it. So these statuses we are giving for anything that you have that employee should be having, like degree types.
Mm-hmm.
See, so when you complete a particular training, what kind of degree do you receive? Like generally, when we do our certification from SAP, we get initially the associate information, means associate degree.
Mm-hmm.
Or you have BSc honors, which bachelor's. What kind of degrees you have completed as an employee? You see, the people management. Getting me?
Yeah. Yes.
This is not for the items again. I'm telling you. This is generally for the users that we are using in the system.
Okay. Mm.
Okay.
Yep.
Now, same goes with other like disability classifications. If any user has any difficult, disability, you just click on this. Now, click on it. Then employee classes.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
I said class ID is like test and description. SAP claim. See, one is created.
Okay.
I said okay, employee classes are there. So what classes is this? This is for SAP.
Oh, okay. So we
SAP.
have one. Okay.
Yeah, you can do it. Then employee status. If that employee is active, inactive, terminated, full-time employee,
Okay.
contractor, whatever, permanent. See, then employee types, civilian contractor, IT specialist, hourly paid worker, whatever is this. Okay. Then job
Mm-hmm.
code. What kind of job codes are available? Like I could be manager, IT specialist, consultant, stuff like that. So these are the codes. If you go
Okay.
to just like that job grade, you go to, then you have language skills if you have any. That person knows Arabic, Chinese, Dutch, English, whatever. So you can add it.
Mm, the language.
Organization
Okay.
type, okay, consulting, franchise, a regular or temporary employee.
Okay.
Okay,
All right. Okay.
security clearance. These are all people related, so you don't have
Yep.
to worry about that much.
Yep.
But of
Correct.
course,
Agree.
you should know about it. So this is one of the settings for people. I'll tell you why. Because when you go to any items,
Finance.
you see that this you have
Oh.
pricing.
Yep.
You have purchasing power means how much can you do that? Then you can go to cost calculation.
Mm-hmm.
Getting me? All these
Yeah.
things when you do, so that we will cover when we talk about these things under finance.
Okay.
Okay.